more about how to make one lab and over that dot dot if you want to work on single man. Tedaka, I will say or that door. Damula lab one year more. Lab one in the park or down Mulari. They don't need the away at the side away. I will say has what Sudala lab with the thing of another. The thing of a dog who took leather at the dado, I will say paddle, level down with Casunia Rolla. Losada Iba, Chopone, women while I hit it by ya. The mercy I let down on me, ma. Dalla Yedo, ma. Yedo get on it. I will hear that Pedaya little weather. You could tell my Pedaya is in law. The blood of hot, you are my Tolia apple. You mean my seki. You made me money. You buy the music over. Milk lay the cup make a body. I will call ya. Honey yata or dog, top on it hit by a law. Dinner so. You mow me while I order. Then I will come. Hell, you not got to say back. I will make while I shut off the lawyer. Don't master ya back, doy, don't over the pack hell. Don't let you get at a pack. Me that shackle, la with the hill of that. Mania, doy, not with the panny law. Coppola, I will see a dog, dog it the ballad of me young. That's in a pack, go to single. That is a ballad you walk. These so you can marry the teller, tell you ma, don't you can max me law. Thou was here, I don't mind the killer, papa. Yeah, don't see the bar with it. Don't you always fella? You can do less a little tell you ma. Sunyani law. D, so you can hit that hair with the atamaki. Lay you want law. Once again, class of 2022 buddies, congratulations on your well-deserved success, and I wish you all the best on your next adventure. Thank you. Mr. Wagner, will you please come forward to introduce our guest and then present the class of 2022?
This allows us to learn from each other's different perspectives. Our school is one of the most diverse in OPS with one of the highest refugee populations. I would like to thank the staff members, mentors, teachers that are helping to improve refugee students' lives through education and making Benson a welcoming home. It's an honor to stand here before you tonight as one of your senior class presidents. We, the class of 2022, had started high school in a completely normal way. Then a small little hurdle called COVID-19 hit and everything changed. We survived, and we now have the privilege of beginning our adult life, whether that's going to college or pursuing other career opportunities as we successfully conclude our high school experience. Today is the day we will walk across the stage and set a foundation for our adulthood. I'm excited, even though it means leaving friends that inspire me, teachers who have been my mentors, and so many people who have shaped my life and my fellow students' lives. What's special about Benson students is that everyone has their own unique story. As I look out, I see construction students who signed with the National Guard. I see a hopeful nursing student who made varsity soccer, playing with and learning from the Mighty Bunny coaching staff. I see a business student who excels in regional competitions. However, the success of our Benson students is as a natural extension of selection. As we find opportunities, we need to be persevering as we select our best possible futures. Like most of you, I have a competitive mindset. My goal in any situation is to win, and I used to feel discouraged even at superficial failure. I've come to realize that in life, you will get more no's than yeses, but if you stop at the first no, then you will never get your big yes. I am confident that each of us will find our big yes. It is my pleasure to now welcome our other senior class president, Ayana Robinson.
Thank